Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to replace a light bulb on a dome light on a 2003 Chevy Suburban. And you can see the map light doesn't work. And when I turn the override switch, you can see one is working, which I'm going to replace both of them to fresh new replacement bulb. Once you turn off the light, you just need to get your small flathead screwdriver and find a little notch. Just need to get your fingernails until you find a little notch on the top and pop off those lenses to get access to replacing the bulb. Once you remove the lens, just remove the little metal reflector. Once you remove the reflector, pull out the burnout bulb. Or you can use pliers, which makes it much easier to pull it out. And the bulb comes right out. And get your fresh new replacement bulb and plug it in to the socket. Once you plug in the replacement bulb, just need to mount this reflector. Before you mount the reflector, make sure you clean this reflector so it doesn't cause all this heat to oxidize the bulb. Once you clean the reflector, just plug it in to the base of the socket. It should just go straight in. Before you pop in this lens, make sure you clean any dirt or debris from this lens. You can see this one is clean, so there's no dust and debris obstructing this lens. All you need to do is pop this lens back on. Make sure you align it with the grooves pointing in the top. Do the same thing to the passenger side, because I'm replacing both bulbs to fresh new replacements. And you just need to pull the metal reflector out. Just be very careful not to break the reflector. You can use your fingernails and it comes out. And these things are just plug-in. You don't have to unscrew it or anything. The bulb comes out. And get your fresh new replacement bulb and plug it in. Once you install these reflectors, make sure they're aligned and perfectly mounted. Once you're done replacing the bulb, make sure you pop this cover back on. Make sure you check to see if they're working by turning on the switch. You can see both of them are working. And that's how you replace a map light bulb on a Chevy Suburban. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you'll never miss a video that we upload in this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.